Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic cars in the automotive world, the 2026 Toyota Corolla. Renowned for its reliability, efficiency, and overall value, the Corolla has been a bestseller for decades. In today's video, we're going to explore everything you need to know, from design and features to performance and safety. First up, let's talk about the exterior design. The 2026 Corolla carries forward Toyota's bold design language, which features sharp lines, aggressive stances, and a modern silhouette. The front end showcases an eye-catching grille flanked by LED headlights that give it a sleek and contemporary look. Another notable detail is the distinctive character line running along the sides, adding an element of sophistication. As we move to the back, the LED taillights create a visually arresting look, ensuring that this compact sedan stands out even in the crowded streets. Now, let's step inside. The cabin of the 2026 Corolla is designed with comfort and convenience in mind. Premium materials are used throughout, giving it a more upscale feel compared to previous models. You'll notice the spaciousness right away, thanks to its well-crafted layout. The seats are supportive, and they've been redesigned with comfort in mind. The new model offers available heated front seats, which is a nice touch, especially for our friends in colder climates. Technology has seen a significant upgrade this year. The 2026 Corolla features an advanced infotainment system that includes a standard 8-inch touchscreen, which can be upgraded to a larger 12-inch display in higher trims. This system includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your smartphone for easier access to navigation, music, and more. Plus, with a premium sound system available, your road trips are about to get a whole lot better. Let's talk about performance. The 2026 Corolla continues to offer multiple powertrain options to cater to different driving preferences. The standard engine is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder, producing around 169 horsepower. It's paired with a continuously variable transmission, or CVT, which helps deliver an efficient and smooth driving experience. For those looking for something sportier, you can opt for the hybrid variant, which combines a 1.8-liter engine with an electric motor to provide excellent fuel efficiency, an impressive EPA rating of around 52 mpg in the city. Now let's shift our focus to safety, one of the reasons the Corolla has garnered such a loyal following over the years. It comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic high beams. These technologies work together to help the driver maintain awareness and prevent collisions. In crash tests, the Corolla has consistently received top marks, securing its reputation as a family-friendly sedan. Transition to Host on the highway, showcasing driving footage. Host. On the road, the 2026 Corolla offers a balanced ride quality. It's responsive and maneuverable, making it an excellent choice for urban driving. The suspension has been tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and imperfections quite well while maintaining composure during spirited driving. Handling is impressive, and the steering is light yet offers adequate feedback, which builds confidence while driving. Plus, with different drive modes offered, like Eco and Sport, drivers can tailor the performance to their liking. Another aspect worth noting is the size and practicality of the Corolla. With its compact size, it's perfect for city dwellers navigating tight parking spots, while still providing a spacious trunk to accommodate daily needs.